Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can create a Metamask wallet. So at first you just need to search for Metamask on your Google and then click on the first link, and then we're going to click on get Metamask. You could also download it, but I'm just going to add it to my Chrome, and then we're going to click on add extension. As you can see that it has already been started adding to Chrome, and it's going to take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. But once it's done, you see it says it's been added to Chrome, so you click on I agree, create a new wallet, and then I agree. So now you have to put a new password over here. So just put a password and then click on I understand and then create a new wallet. And let's say we want to secure this later, so we skip it, done, next. As you can see that you have officially opened your MetaMask, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.